Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Dell Chromebook 11, and now I'm going to show you how to factory reset all settings on this device. Firstly, you need to open the settings, then click Advanced, scroll down and find Reset Settings and click on it. Here you will find the power wash and click Reset. Click Restart and just wait a while. If your device will be not enabled after 2 or 3 minutes, you need to click on the power button to enable it. As you can see, it will enable the device and we need to repeat our actions. So, okay, it was just a lag. Power wash process was enabled, but if not, you just need to repeat the same actions. You just need to open settings, reset settings and click power wash, and it will enable this power wash wizard. So you can click update firmware, but it's not you don't need to do it, but you can. So I will not enable this feature. You can click power wash, then continue. Okay, maybe we need to do that, or not, or it's just a little slower than I think. Great, power wash in progress. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!